Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Arjovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a YouTube channel in 2022, but also in next years. Okay, I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. Okay, first step is create Google account. When you create a Google account, you will be have access to the to the YouTube channel. Okay, so create account. You may set for me, for kid, to my business. Okay, and now you make name, your name. You add email, Gmail, and password. And later you click enter, and later you may write number phone. It is for security. And when you do it on Google, you enter on YouTube is here, and now you clicking on the my channel here. I will show you how to do it. When you click here to my channel, you will get option like create name channel, and you create name channel. You click on the understand, and you click here, and you did it. Okay, and that's all what I wanted to show you. So thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and see you next time. Bye bye.